Hi everyone, welcome to Veronika Hug. Today I'm showing you a star pattern. So I did it with just one color, and this time I'll try it out with you with two colors, and we'll see if it emphasizes the stars even more. The pattern is lovely, it's easy to do, so feel free to stay tuned and try it out. So we always finish the last stitch of our row with our new color if we're doing multiple colors. Then we do the basic stitch. And now we take 5 stitches onto our needle at once and we cast them off as one. Then we pull the stitch a bit longer, do a yarn over, and through one more time and cast off, and again yarn over and again cast off. Then a base stitch, and then again 5 stitches at a time, and 3 times yarn over and cast off. One basic stitch, 5 stitches again, cast off and yarn over, and 2 more times. And the last 2 stitches in the base pattern. When we go back, we do it as always, 2 loops at a time. You have to take care a bit so that you don't take one more loop with you, so just 2 at a time in the back row. Now we do the last 2 loops in gray, and now we go with the gray for the following row. So this time we're just taking new stitches out, as always with Tunisian crocheting. And the next row we will do new stars. I think this looks really interesting already. And I'll try to do these pulled stitches in orange, so in the next row we will again go with the orange. That way we will have the stars in the orange color. And now we go back. You need a number of stitches that's divisible by 6 plus 3 more. So I did 21 stitches total, and that's how you get 2 basic stitches, and then you repeat the stars with the 6 stitches at a time. Four base stitches and then 5 stitches together cast off. Yarn over, cast off, yarn over and cast off. You can see here our stars, so this one base stitch I did just above the middle of the last star. And the last 5 stitches in the base stitch. So in the end we have 5 basic stitches. In the beginning it's just 4, but they seem like 5 because of the edge stitch that we actually start with that we just transfer onto our needle. And backwards as always. So this is how we have the entire star in orange, and the row in between we do in this grayish shade. Looks good. Now comes another base row in orange. It's gonna make the bottom part of the stars. And you continue just like in the beginning, 1 base stitch, then together 5 together cast off. Yarn over, cast off, yarn over and cast off. One basic stitch, 5 again together. And the yarns over and casting off twice more. Basic stitch and again 5. And the last 5 stitches in the base stitch, then we go back as we always would. And if you like this video, feel free to check out my channel. I have a whole lot on Tunisian crocheting, regular crocheting, as well as knitting. So you might find something interesting to you that you can try out. I have some advanced projects as well as beginners projects. The last stitch we do with the other color, and then we do one base row in gray, then again a base row in orange, and then we can again start the stars. And that's how the pattern repeats. I hope you enjoyed. Feel free to stay tuned for my other videos, and I'll see you next time. Bye!